lot. Let's take a look at the 8 bills that are going to be in focus, though, because the government has said that these are important bills. They're going to be in focus, seeking the opposition's unity as well, saying that in these bills there should be no confusion. There should be a debate that should take place in the parliament without any disruptions. So let's talk about which are the important bills that will see its presence in the Lok Sabha, and then subsequently, after it passes in Lok Sabha, the Rajya Sabha perhaps. First is the Geo-Heritage Sites and Geo-Relics Preservation and Maintenance Bill 2025, which aims to preserve and protect the geo-heritage sites as well as the geo-relics of national importance for the geological studies, the education, research and tourism as well. Apart from that, another bill that is going to be very, very important, and this pertains to people, almost 90% of the entire country, which is the Income Tax Bill 2025. The bill seeks to simplify the language and structure of the Income Tax Act 1961, making it a lot more simple to understand for the taxpayers. Is going to be a much easier process. So a joint parliamentary committee will be reviewing this bill. Apart from that, the Jan Vishwas Amendment of Provisions Bill 2025, which focuses on promoting the ease of doing business and improving regulatory compliances by decriminalizing certain provisions. So this is going to be important for business coming into the country. Apart from that, another bill that has garnered a lot of interest, which Kiran Rijiju has also described as a very, very significant bill, is going to be the National Sports Governance Bill. This is going to, in fact, overhaul the way sports governance is happening in the country. This is going to establish a regulatory body which will ensure accountability among the sports administrators and also grant recognition to the National Sports Federation. So this is going to be impactful for the sports persons across the country because it changes the way the sports administration takes place in the country. The aim being no longer long court pending cases, but easy resolution. Apart from that, the Indian Ports Bill 2025 as well, which replaces the Indian Ports Act 1908. This outlines the powers of the central and state governments regarding the port limits, safety as well as conservation as well. Apart from that, the Merchant Shipping Bill 2024 will also come up in the Lok Sabha. This decriminalizes certain offences in the shipping centre while introducing new ones such as the operating unlicensed recruitment agency. So this is again going to be very important as far as business in the country is concerned. Apart from that, the National Anti-Doping Bill as well, 2025, which really aligns the definitions and provisions with the World Anti-Doping Agency Code and also ensures the independence of the National Anti-Doping Appeal Panel. The Mines and Minerals Development and Regulation Amendment Bill will also come up in the lower house, which amends the Mines and Minerals Development Regulation Act and regulating the mining sector.